21 minutes from zero?
No, we were at 30, I think 35%.
35%.
So if you continue to charge here now?
Yeah, but you just got a story.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome, welcome, welcome. Hi, I'm Claudia. Thank you so much for opening this video today. We are actually at the Booth gas station in Drax. And I should tell you, Jamaica's gone electric. Zero emission, I see on the t-shirts.
Yes.
And this, and this is Premier Energy Solutions. Of course, you know they're all about solar energy.
So we are all here today. We are all here today. We are all leaf people who believe in zero emission, right, Steve?
Yes, zero.
Zero.
Zero
We
emission.
drive with the sun.
Yes.
Free electricity.
Okay.
No more JPS. Anyway, we are here today at the JPS station, and JPS is giving us some free energy today. We are now charging from a new charging station that they just installed. I think this is the first one being commissioned by JPS here in Jamaica.
Okay.
So as you know, electric cars are the future, and Jamaica is going that way.
This is the future.
And this is the future.
This is
we
the
are
future.
modern people here now.
Okay.
So you can take a look at the charging plugs, and they have all the facilities here to do everything. Miss Davis will give you an intro. This is a Nissan Leaf, and we plug the plug in there. It took us 21 minutes to charge this car with power. We just drove from Kingston with the car.
Coming from what percentage?
Well, we
Battery?
were 100% charged. We drove from Kingston and came here. We are now going to charge the next car. He's going to plug in the next car now.
Go back there.
What is the difference between AC and DC?
Well, Mr. JPS can explain.
Oh.
What's the difference
I thought you were
between?
going to take on that one.
No, leave in JPS for that job.
It's a type of power.
Okay.
AC stands for alternating current, which is what we have in our home.
Okay.
It goes up and down, but you already know it. And DC stands for direct current, which is what you get from your batteries.
Okay.
Whether it's a small pendant battery or the car battery.
Okay.
It's just a continuous supply.
Okay. So
So-
these cars would plug into what?
A leaf would use this connector.
The DC.
Yeah, so these two are supply DC power, so they're able to supply more power directly to the battery of the car.
Okay.
And this option provides AC power, that's a 43 kilowatt capacity. That would provide power via the car's own rectifier. It converts the AC to DC internally in the car and charges the car battery.
Excellent. So how do you pay for it? Is it a card that you put in and swipe?
Yeah, there's a card and an associated app.
Okay.
So you can use either of the two to communicate, activate the charger, and also pay for your electricity.
Oh, so you don't interface with the pump attendants or anything?
No.
No, you
Self-
just pull up
self-serve.
here and use your app? Okay, good.
He's now using the app on his phone. And then he's going to swipe the machine right here to activate the system to do his charge. This is how you will pay
So
for
the
your
app will just
services.
take the money off your credit card?
Yeah. Cashless.
Okay, cashless. High tech. So what would be the cost for something like this?
The cost is based on regulators that approve what is known as a time of use rate.
Time what?
Time of
Time
use
of
rate.
use means the changes during different periods of the day. Similar to the time of use rate that has been approved for homes,
Okay.
plus they have added a 5% onto that for public charging stations. So we had roughly worked out that at this time of the day, it would be the equivalent of about $44 per kilowatt hour before DC.
And that translates to what in real life?
For example, what we did a while ago was 21 minutes was less than $1,000. I don't remember how much we charged.
But about $1,000, okay. So your battery power was what, at 30%? Full from Kingston and then 30%. Alright everybody, so I'm at the Booth gas station, which is in Drax, and they have installed an electric, well, we would say an electric gas station. What's it called, Stephen? An electric what?
Charging station.
Oh, an electric charging station.
90 seconds. You want to plug it in?
Steve, this is your first time to plug in.
Yeah.
Supercharging.
So
Supercharging.
Communication. Sorry. Level 3 charger.
There we go.
You're charging up, Steve. So you can charge only 2 vehicles here at a time. Alright everybody, so those of you who are thinking of buying an electric car, Jamaica, we are actually making provisions right around the island for these charging stations. So yes, you can now bring in your electric car. So this is saying what now?
It is showing the state of charge.
Oh.
So right here now it is showing that current power is 446.7 kilowatt. Wow. And 119 amps, and the DC voltage is 390 volts. The battery state of charge of the battery was at 26 it started with, it's now at 28. And
so we would come here.
yes.
Do we need to put our card on
Yes,
this?
you put your credit card and swipe it.
Oh, it's a user card.
It's a user card.
What does that mean?
You have to buy it. It's a special card you get. It's a special card you
So
get.
when we get the card, you put it here and it swipes it.
So we get that card at JPS.
Where we get the card?
It's a JPS card.
Okay.
Once
Is
you
there a
sign up-
cost? Is there a charge for the card?
Initially, no.
Okay.
We'll more likely your amount at certain point it have to be free.
Yeah.
But because it's something that requires security to get to persons, it's going to be a cost. Because we don't want it just to all over the place.
So you can go to any JPS and do this now, get this card?
No, not at the moment. Once it's launched,
After
Okay.
the 28th. So where can we go, or when can we get such a card?
you can check this.
So it will be a card that you swipe and then you just pay your light bill with it.
You have your own, so the app, once you register on the app,
Right?
by a company by the name of Charge Lab, you create an account and you put in the credit card information.
Right.
So you can actually just use the app and interface the equipment. Or
So
you can use the card, swipe it, recognizes the same account, and charges you for that.
So you don't have a brochure or something,
On his head. Today.
So we know
So when is the actual?
when we're going to actually be able to start
To start.
this facility then.
The launch, the public launch of it is
28th, I think.
28th
Of this month?
Of this month?
Yeah.
Where is that going to be?
here.
Here, okay.
Once all the commercial details are in place,
How
all the
many-
information of how to use it, how to get the card, etc.
How many charging stations will be around the island?
Initially 10.
10, okay. One in each parish?
Not necessarily per parish, but based upon
Township and
youth.
The popularity of the town. Like Montego Bay will definitely have one.
You have here, which is a central point from north to south, east to west.
Yeah.
Kingston, Montego Bay, or it's the level of charger. Then you have smaller chargers distributed around the island.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
I get a knock with if this broke. If it come out as this broke.
Just to show the
Oh, they've got that generator runs it.
Which generator?
That.
Oh, they have a generator just for this.
I wonder. I'm not sure.
So what happens if there's a
Let's have a
power
look here
outage?
now.
Ask him.
Take a look here.
Wow.
It is now at 40%.
It's ramping down, gone up to 32.2.
Right. It is now charging at a letter amperage.
Yeah.
80 amps, 230, 220, 313 kilowatts. It's at 40.
31.2.
Oh, 31.2, sorry. 31.2 kilowatts.
What happens if there's no electricity?
I wonder if that generator. I was asking if that generator.
If there's a power outage?
Generator.
They tell me. What's the name, man?
You need to get the name and thing. Yeah. Your man will keep link up with him. So make sure you have the link.
So everybody, this is a leaf. Both of these are leaves, right?
That's correct.
Branches.
One is a 015, the black is 015, and the silver is a 014 leaf.
What's the cost of one of these landed, you know?
Well, you know, the bad news is that when we brought this car, we thought it was going to be duty free, but it is not. It is the same duty like a regular car.
Like a regular car?
Yes. So this car cost us what, 1.5? 1.5 landed here.
So, but I thought
We were hoping to bring this here for like maybe 1 million or something like that.
But I thought isn't there some concession for...
No concession for electric. There's a concession for hybrid, but not for full electric.
Not for full electric.
Yeah, just for hybrid, not full electric. I don't think the government is not going to earn any revenue from an electric car.
Right.
Because they tax the gas.
They tax the gas.
They
yeah.
tax everything. Actually, in fact, is the fitness is cheaper. No, the registration is cheaper. The registration is cheaper on it. But
Hip hip hooray!
at least there's only one thing that is cheaper, and that's just the registration.
So the hybrid uses both petrol and electric.
And electric, right?
Yeah, I got plug-in hybrids.
You have plug-in hybrids.
Okay.
Originally, they were when you reach a certain speed, like 40 kilometers. After you go over 40 kilometers or so, different, then the engine would come in and assist you. Okay. So they give better mileage to the hybrid. But it's very complicated. This is simple.
This is simple.
There's no maintenance with full electric. Very little. Alright. Then we need to run off here now. Miss Davis, where are you now?
Ladies and gentlemen, so we are now looking at a Tesla. It's a Model 3.
This is a Model 3.
Look at the very simple, yeah.
Well, I love the TV. Is that TV that?
Infotainment, they call it. Infotainment.
Infotainment.
Yeah, so it shows everything.
Yeah, and it's nice and big.
Yeah. Everything is on there.
Nice.
You answer your phone from it as well?
That's standard. That's normal basic.
Basics?
Yeah.
Okay. So what you like about this car? Apart from, it's full electric, right? It's full electric? What you like about it, Steve?
Everything.
Like?
It's a dream.
Yeah, well,
Why? What makes it?
There's nothing like a Tesla.
No,
The
but
range
what?
and the speed.
The range, the speed.
The range of what?
Has a buzz about
How far it can go on a single charge.
Just has a buzz about and look about it.
Oh, how far can go on a single charge? Like when you charge it tonight, you maybe drive 5 days.
I can drive with a mobile and probably go on to Kingston.
That's it?
Bypass all that. Not stop.
You never stop.
Just drive. This is the real
I'm not
machine.
sure which one is this.
And this is fully computerized. Everything on this can drive itself.
Can drive itself?
Yes.
You have some of them that can do
You
that.
have some of them that can drive themselves. You can literally program in where you want to go,
Yeah.
and it drives you
And it
there.
drives it. Okay, cool.
Some of these Tesla, you can tell it, oh, I'm down there, and drive come to you.
Okay.
Yep.
Nice.
Yeah, that's it. You want to buy one of this, darling?
Nope.
I tell you to buy one of these.
Nope.
I tell you this day to get one of these.
Get one of these. So you have been saying, but these are left-hand drives. I don't know.
I'm sitting in a Tesla.
I don't know if I can drive a left-hand vehicle. But this is a Tesla, everybody. So it is Tesla is in Jamaica. So you can bring down your Tesla and go zero emission. As you can see, it has a really simple dashboard. Real simple. Real simple. As in, you can't even see any buttons on the dashboard. All you have is a flat, is a screen, right? That you press. There are no buttons. Everything is touch screen. So this is a Model T Tesla. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for staying with me in this dream here. And remember, we're really about real estate. But you know, cars are a part of our lifestyle, right? So the Tesla or the car, the
whatever the capacity is.
Oh, it's totally different.
yeah. So that will work there, so?
No, it can't work here. Can't work here. Tesla can't charge here.
So I'm going to have to get something
They
else.
have an adapter that can do it. You can get an
Comes with
adapter.
the car?
No.
Oh, you have to buy
Tesla
it.
want you to charge with Tesla stations, you know. They don't
Okay.
really want you to charge it with any.
So they have to get an adapter.
Yeah, they make adapters.
They want you hook, line, and sinker.
Hook, line, and sinker. Alright, so this is...
Where's Richard? That's you. Hi, Richard. How are you?
This is a charging port.
They have their own thing, their configuration.
Oliver. Oh, right. How's the charging going?
Alright everybody, thank you for staying with me in this dream. You know, we're all about the real estate, but driving cars is part of our lifestyle as well. Everybody, remember, be great to yourself and buy real estate. And buy a zero emission car. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for staying with us. For those of you interested in bringing in electric cars, you now can do that. JPS, they're putting in the stations, the charging stations all over the island. So feel free to bring in your electric vehicle. I'll see you in the next video. Have a beautiful, beautiful Jamaica day.